we're going to take a break from doing the garden expansion here in a minute. And I've got to fix these 2 rabbit cages. Basically, we'll put some hardware cloth over here and weave it together and get some rabbits moved over. Got some scrap hardware cloth. I know you're hungry. Hold on. It's perfect. I'll just cut it up high. Guys, that is it. That is all complete. So basically we just took some scrap hardware cloth and stitched this area instead of replacing this whole piece. Same with this. And put our feeders in there. Getting the first feeder put in. Hold on, Da Vinci. Probably not in shot, but I'm just hanging up Da Vinci's new order. Did you get the water dish? Alright, hang his up. Alright, now we're going to get our rabbits. Alright, we got our bunnies in. One there, and one there. Cage is fixed, we just got to fill up with food. Then we get back to do the garden.